So in this video, I will demonstrate my project, that is the rainfall prediction module. So I have initially loaded the dataset of the for the rainfall prediction model, which is in CSV format, and I have also loaded the dataset and have printed its data.head, and then I have demonstrated the info of this data, which is shown. Next, I will check that whether this dataset is balanced or unbalanced. If the dataset is unbalanced, we will need to either downsample the majority or oversample the minority to balance it. So here I have just indicated whether tomorrow there will be rain or not. So there will be rain in the imbalanced dataset. Next, I have computed the Next, here is the missing data pattern which I have shown in the training data, whether there will be any missing data. And then actually what I have done here in this code, that I have converted or imputed the categorical columns with mode, and then I will use the label encoder to convert that into numerical numbers. Once all the columns in the full data frame are converted to numerical columns, that then I will impute the missing values by chained equation, that is MIC package. I have also deducted the outliers with the IQR. So I have done that portion. Then I have already deducted the outliers using the interquartile range here and remove them to get the final working data set. Finally, I will check the correlation between the different variables and find a highly related or correlated variables, and I will discard the one keeping the other, which is important. And this is the correlation heat map which I have already generated. And then I have seen that as the data frame has no NaN values or like infinity values tending to infinity values, therefore I will deduct and eliminate all the outliers. And then following features I have just plotted. Following important features like max temperature, mean temperature, pressure at 9 a.m., pressure at 3 p.m., temperature at 9 a.m., temperature at 3 p.m., and evaporation. And then I will just standardize the data and feature also demonstrated the feature importance using the chi-square method. And then I have demonstrated this into the testing dataset and the training dataset model, and have input the remaining missing values with the mean, and then I have normalized the features. Then what I have done is just then I have what I have done is just for a better decision I have chosen the Cohen's kappa, and I have delved deeper into the logistic regression and the decision tree. This is the receiver operating characteristic, that is ROC curve, which I have demonstrated. And then here I have demonstrated all the logistic regression curve, MLP classifier, decision tree classifier, neural network, random forest, and cat boost, XGBoost, and ensemble. Everything I have shown in detailed way. And finally I have done the model comparison and the accuracy and the time taken for execution, which shows that the neural network comparison on the time taken by the neural network is much higher than the other models. Here I have also done a brief model comparison of the area under ROC and Cohen's kappa. So according to this detailed study, I have understood that XGBoost achieved the highest accuracy, followed closely by CatBoost and Random Forest. And which one was fastest? Naive-Bayes and logistic regression are the fastest to train and predict, as they use simple mathematical assumptions and closed form optimization, which is the most interpretable. Decision tree is the most interpretable and clear. So I've demonstrated all this via this rainfall prediction model. Thank you.